Hey there guys, this is Dorian with Hiley Mazda of Hurst. So you just brought yourself a brand new CX-5, 50, whatever it may be, and it has a power tailgate. So there's a couple of ways that you can operate this thing. First off, there's a button on the side of the key. You can hold that down and it'll open it right on up. And so there's another thing I'll teach you about this tailgate. This is something that you might need to use whenever you're in your garage, you have a low ceiling or something and you don't want it to open up so high up. So it's pretty straightforward. If you ever need to lower your tailgate down every time it opens, you can have it set to a certain height. So you can lower it down and there's a button right here. You're just gonna hold it down for 3 seconds. And you hear that, the car beeps. And so now, whenever you press that button and lower the tailgate and it shuts all the way, by the way, it'll be interrupted. So if you ever get your hand caught up in there, something like that, the tailgate will disengage and come back up a little bit to free whatever's getting stuck in there. Just a nice little safety feature. And so when we press that button, it should bring it back up to that height that we programmed it to come up to. You can set this at any distance that you'd like. So if you want it to be all the way down here, hold it three seconds down, car beeps, that confirms that you've set the height on there. So that's how you change the height on your tailgate. If you ever need to avoid anything, on you got a low ceiling in your garage or anything like that, this will help prevent any damage from that. Again, my name is Dorian with Hiley Mazda of Hurst. We're right off 820 across from the Northeast Mall. So if you guys have any questions, you want to come on down, check out a car. We got a brand new showroom. It's beautiful in there. I'd love to show you guys around it. And there you go. Now you know how to set the height on your tailgate.